Hey, gonna do a quick review on Deep Sea Pink Salmon, Wild Alaskan Pink Salmon. Pretty sure we got this at Save-A-Lot, but it's not a Save-A-Lot product. You get 5 servings per can. Serving size about a third of a cup. Calories 110, 4 grams total fat, 1 saturated fat, 1 polyunsaturated fat, 1 monounsaturated fat, cholesterol 50, sodium 340, total carbohydrate 0, protein 17. Sorry about that. My roommate made salmon patties with us a couple nights ago. It's pretty good salmon, especially making salmon patties, stuff like that. Open up and mix in whatever ingredients you like. Onions, peppers, whatever you like in your salmon patties, breadcrumbs, different stuff like that. It's got a nice little recipe on the back. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty good with salmon. If you want to cook salmon patties, it's a pretty cheap little dinner to cook. Pretty easy to cook and pretty cheap to fix. If you're on a budget with your groceries like we are. I don't know what he paid for it. To be honest with you, I don't know how much he paid for it up at Save-A-Lot. It's pretty good. You made a pretty good little dinner with it. The salmon patties the other night. This is a Deep Sea Wild Alaska Pink Salmon, 14 3/4 ounce can. Like I said, pretty sure he got it at Save-A-Lot the other day. I don't know what other stores you can buy it at. I don't see anything on there saying it's a Save-A-Lot product, so you can probably buy it in other stores besides Save-A-Lot. Okay, camera, shut off.